Ho, ho, ho!
Hey, it's Lisa from Do Cut. I'm here with Santa's helper, and we are stuffing a different kind of stocking today. How cool is this chainsaw case? You can stuff it with a chainsaw, hearing protection, woo! Chaps for your leg protection, 2-cycle oil, an extra bar, an extra chain, and some bar and chain oil. Stop into Do Cut and stuff the coolest stocking in town. Do Cut in Warren and Canfield, Monday through Thursday, 9 to 6, Fridays and Saturdays, 9 to 5.
And don't forget your hat.
See you soon.